It is not a closing of boiler sale, this is an opening of relationship with customer. On your landing page, here, given offer prices are, for your Combi boiler, to Combi boiler, replacement, on same location, with no scaffolding and gas upgrade. On your page, here, prices with horizontal flue, through wall, fully installed. And here, prices with vertical flue, through roof, fully installed. On your page, click that arrow to view your offer detail. On your page, click APR arrow to view monthly installments of your offer. Click select button of your offer to go to offer review page. Click send quotation, an email of your offer, or continue to reserve offer. Enter your contact details to reserve your offer. In case of different model offers, click boiler deals. Select your required model. Enter postcode where boiler needs to be installed. Offer prices are subject to installation postcode. Boiler relocation. Click Combi boiler relocation. For optional extras like radiator replacement, plume kit, flue extensions, heating zones controls, cylinders, and new heating installation, call your city team. Or click the callback request form for unbeatable prices. Or chat online. Or in case of Combi boiler conversion, click required Combi boiler conversion link. In case of any confusion, watch step-by-step guide video or ask online help. For technical information, watch Combi boiler video or about our free MagnaClean Professional 2 filter video, or about our free wireless Delta Door thermostatic programmer video. To view our customer reviews, click Trustpilot website link, an independent, authorized customer reviews organization. Click back arrow to go back on Domestic and General Heating website. Domestic and General Heating is always ready to help. Call 08000 786 085 or chat online.